So eat the whole thing.
I'm going to eat the whole thing. I mean, I will eat the whole thing. Just not on camera. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Like a lot of you, I've been really missing holidays, so recreating some of those holiday favourite recipes at home has been a real mission for me. Now, I'm going to start by saying this is not a traditional gyro recipe by any means, but I really wanted to get some of those amazing Greek flavours into this dish, and it's super quick to cook as well. So let's get cooking. We're going to start by preheating the grill, or the broiler if you're in the USA, to high. Now for the chicken, I've got a whole cooked rotisserie chicken, and that's been shredded into lovely chunky pieces. So from here we're going to start building up those iconic gyro flavours. Add 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon each of dried oregano, paprika, salt and pepper, and a tablespoon each of fresh lemon juice, red wine vinegar and honey. Toss it all together until the chicken's thoroughly coated. Now transfer it to a baking tray and spread it out into an even layer. Place under the hot grill or broiler and grill for 3 to 4 minutes until the edges start to get crispy. My favourite bit of gyros is the crispy edges with all of that texture and flavour. By grilling the chicken, we're recreating those conditions, but we're going to get a whole tray full of those lovely crispy edges. I'm also adding a little bit of honey for a glaze and to add a touch of sweetness, and that helps to recreate those slow cooked rotisserie flavours. Once the edges of the chicken start to crisp up slightly, you want to take them out of the grill and pour over a little stock. I'm going to be using about 60 ml, which is about 1/4 cup of chicken stock altogether, and that is to help ensure the chicken stays lovely and juicy and moist while still getting those lovely crispy edges. You'll also notice I'm using quite a compact tray here, and that's to stop those juices running off and evaporating straight away. So we're going to start by pouring over half of this stock. Toss everything together and place back under the grill again for another 3 to 4 minutes until the edges start to get crispy. Then we're going to repeat that one more time, adding the rest of the stock, giving it a good stir and placing back under the grill for a final few minutes. Just look at how tasty that meat looks. Now we're going to assemble the gyros. So I've got some flatbreads here, along with some lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes and red onion. And we're going to layer all that together. You can change these ingredients out as you see fit. I've even been known to add in some chips. Top with some of that delicious crispy chicken. Then spoon over some tzatziki and sprinkle on a little dried oregano, and then we're ready to dig in. If you like this, then you'll love my pork gyros. It takes a little bit longer to slow cook the pork, but it's totally worth it. These lovely flavours really takes me back to those family holidays in Greece. I can't wait to go back.